welcome in this another lecture of scales. Today I am going to solve a question of plane scale. As already everything is discussed in up to last chapters. We know what is RF, we know what is units, what is maximum length. Okay, and these three are specification of scales. Now just look on a question. What is our problem? On a building plan, a line of 5 cm long represent a distance of 10 meter. So by this line you can understand that 5 cm long line on drawing represent a distance of 10 meter. Okay. Now construct a plane scale to read up to 30 meter. Read up to 30 meter means this is our maximum distance and showing 1 meter. So minimum distance we have to show on scale is 1 meter. Now we start to solve the problem. Now see what are the steps in which we have to solve the problem. These three are specification of scale: RF, units and maximum length. And just think about this by reading the question. Now RF. RF is equal to length on drawing upon actual length. This formula we can use to solve the RF. Now see, length on drawing is given 5 cm and actual length is 10 meter. These two data is given for finding the value of RF. Now RF is equal to, we can find 5 cm divided by 10 meter. Now we can simplify it. Now how we simplify it? We just convert this into centimeter, means both units can be cancelled. As you know, RF have no unit. So this is 5 upon 1000. We more simplify that centimeter divided by centimeter, and this gives us this centimeter cancelled, and the final value is 1 upon 200. 1 upon 200. So in this way we calculate RF. Now the second step we go for to find length of scale. This is very important, because if 5 cm represent 10 meter, so for drawing a scale of 30 meter, what is the length of scale? That we should find. So length of scale is equal to simply RF multiplied by maximum length. So our RF is calculated here. So we write here RF. It is RF and multiplied by maximum length, that is 30 meter. 30 meter is our maximum length. Now first of all we convert this 30 meter into centimeter, because we have available a conventional scale showing meters, showing centimeter unit. So we convert this into centimeter. Now further calculate. We get 15 centimeter. So this is our main data which is used for drawing scale. Now the length of scale in our case is 15 centimeter. Okay. So these two steps are very compulsory to solve. After that we go for drawing the scales. Now we start drawing scales. The maximum length of scale is 15 centimeter. So draw a scale of 15 centimeter. Drop a scale of 15 centimeter. This length is 15 centimeter. So simply construct a line of 15 centimeter. Now convert this into such a picture which gives a look of scale. How? Now see, this looks like a scale. So this is our scale of 15 centimeter which represent 30 meter length. Now we start to construct scale. Now see here, showing 1 meter. So how we find 1 meter from 30 meter in a plane scale? As you know, plane scale having 2 units. Plane scale having 2 units. So what is the meaning of 2 units? It is twice divided. This scale main is twice divided. So first divided into some equal per number of parts. Then again first part is subdivided into some equal number of parts. So that we can show 1 meter minimum distance. So how? Now if we this scale divide into 3 equal number of parts, see here 30 meter is maximum length, and if we divide it into 3 equal parts, means the 1 unit is 10 meter. So this is our first unit. Now if you want, you can show here units. See, in the question the units are not separately given. So you can find it. Our first unit is 10 meter. Our first unit is 10 meter. And then if we divide this 10 meter into again 10 equal number of parts, we get 1 meter. 1 meter, which is our requirement to show on the scale. So our 2 units are 10 meter and 1 meter. So divide this into 3 equal number of parts. Then again first part is divided into 10 equal number of parts. Now we start to construct scale. Now divide this scale into 3 equal number of parts. So we can easily divide this 15 centimeter into 3 equal number of parts, that is 5 centimeter each. So we divide this into 3 equal number of parts. See, so we start constructing scale. Now as you know, in our scales we write 0 here after first part, because this first part is using for showing second unit and these parts using showing first unit. So this first unit is 10 meter, so write here 10 and then 20 and write here unit also, that is meter. Okay, now this first part is again subdivided into some equal number of parts. Now if this is 10 meter and we want 1 meter, so obviously we divide this into 10 equal number of parts. Now as you know, the geometrical construction used for dividing this first part into equal number of parts, we use a construction division of line. Division of line, which we already discussed in earlier classes. So I am constructing this construction. How? Draw a line at any angle. Draw a line at any angle from this point. Then by compass you mark 10 equal divisions on this line. How? Like this. By compass you mark equal divisions on this line. Now this last division to 0. Join last division to 0. And now we draw parallel lines parallel to this through each division. And as you know, the parallel lines may be drawn by using roller scale. So carefully draw parallel lines. Carefully draw parallel lines. Now see, in this way, this is divided into 10 equal number of parts. Okay? And the smallest part is 1 meter. See here, if this is 10 meter and we divide this into 10 equal number of parts, so small division is 1 meter. Okay? So our scale is complete. But some more construction we do for giving a good look of this scale. How? See here. This is a construction part. This is a construction part. Now this looks like a perfect scale. Some more labels we have to give on it. For example, all units numbers like this. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So what is this? 10 again meter. Okay. This space is not comfortable to write every number here. So we can write alternately. Miss 1, write 2, 4, 6 and 8. This is sufficient for understanding the scales and its units. Now this scale is complete. Now see here, if I tell you to mark any distance on this scale, so test yourself that can you draw. I am showing here a simple distance of suppose 22 meter. How I show a distance 22 meter on this scale. Now see here, 22 meter, it is a combination of two units. First is 10, 20 like this and second is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now break it. 20 plus 2 is 22. So draw an extension line here. Then draw another extension line 1, 2 here. So this distance is 22 meter. Okay. So this completes our one question of plane scale. Now in next class we take one more question. Okay. Bye.